In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a task link in Wrike. This is a very simple process, but it's incredibly useful when you want to share a specific task with a teammate, include it in an email, or save it for later reference. First, start by opening Wrike and navigating to the workspace where your tasks are located. Make sure you're looking at the right project folder or list so you can easily find the task you want to share. Take a moment to identify the exact task you'd like to copy the link for, so there's no confusion later. Once you've located the task, go ahead and select it. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name. This will open up the task details panel, usually on the right-hand side of your screen or in the center, depending on your layout. Here you'll see information like the task title, description, assignees, due dates, and any comments. Confirm that this is indeed the task whose link you want to copy. Now, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. This icon is typically found in the upper right corner of the task window. It might be next to the task title or near other action buttons like follow, share, or other task controls. Take your time to hover over the icons if needed, just to be sure you found the right one. Click on the three dots to open the options menu. A small drop-down menu will appear, showing several actions you can perform on this task, such as duplicating, deleting, or changing certain settings. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Copy Task Link. Go ahead and click on Copy Task Link. As soon as you do this, Wrike will copy the direct URL to that specific task to your clipboard. There usually won't be a big pop-up, but you might see a small confirmation message that the link has been copied. At this point, you can paste the link wherever you need it. For example, you can paste it into a chat message, an email, a document, or another task description. Anyone with the right permissions in Wrike who opens that link will be taken straight to the exact task you selected. And that's all there is to it. Select the task, click on the three dots, then choose Copy Task Link, and you're ready to share.